Hey, I brought you.
Shh. 1 second. Yep.
I made some coffee for you. Do you like it?
That was disgusting.
It was that bad?
Yeah, was that instant?
Mostly, yeah.
What was it? Mostly? Mostly what was it?
Well, water, sugar, cream. I put cinnamon in it, for a spicy onion note.
Was there coffee in it?
I might have forgotten.